Ang cute ng stairs, ang cute ng pool, ang cute ng everything.
Whiskey warm on a brittle fun night. She was doing fine and I was doing right, falling into daydreams of our lives. I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes.
Riding the tuk-tuk on the way to Branch
by Roots.
Yeah, of course, and then
Nido.
we'll explore Philippines. Hey guys, we are here at Branch by Roots. So ito yung pinakauna nating kakainan dito sa Siargao. It's a long tourism road and it was actually featured sa Tatler Dining. Yon. And sorry kung maingay kasi hindi ko pa dala yung mic ko. But later, pag nag-room tour tayo, ayan, naka-mic na tayo. Si Miss Kim will show us the steam piece room. We are finally checked in. So, andito tayo sa Big Waves. Nakita ko lang sila sa Instagram and I really wanted to stay here nung unang kita ko pa lang because, yun nga, it's color pink and it's my favorite color. Tapos, ang cute ng stairs, ang cute ng pool, ang cute ng everything. So, I'm going to show you my room and then later papakita ko rin sa inyo yung room ni Will. So, the one that I have is itong with balcony. I'm going to show you the view. I really like this side of Siargao. It's not too far. It's still in General Luna, pero we are not right smack in the tourism road, you know, na sobrang busy. So here, parang mas slow yung life, but we're still near the restaurants and other hotels. Now I'm going to show you the room. Sobrang quick lang, because it's just a studio room with its own bathroom. Let's go. So, there's a bed, aircon syempre, a bedside table. Here we have a very simple vanity with my own bottled water. Ayan, here's the bathroom, the shower area. It's so nice. I like that wall design. Ayan, a toilet right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys yung room ni Will. Just in case hindi ko pa nasabi kanina, actually yung pangalan ng mga rooms dito, yung mga sikat na pinupuntahan sa Siargao. So merong Magpupungko, Naked, Kuyam, and this one, tingnan nyo, Afam Bridge. Ito naman, on the other side is Corregidor. Actually, this is yung gusto kong puntahan, pero medyo malayo siya. And kailangan siyang i-hike. Pero okay lang naman yung hiking. Kaso hindi siya kasama sa itinerary namin. So maybe next time. So yeah, I'm going to show you this room. Ito yata yung pinaka-premium nila. So this is the mini living room. And this is the bed. Of course, we also have here, yan, vanity. Hiwala yung wash area sa toilet at saka sa shower. So parang may 3 parts yung bathroom niya. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin. Naglakad lang kami and then nag-street food, tusok-tusok, ganyan. We tried to look for a good sunset spot pero hindi kami nakahanap. So maybe tomorrow. And yan, wala na naman akong mic kasi iniwan niya sa hotel. Tapos hanap tayo ng makakain for dinner.
Find a way somehow. I know the first instance it might seem hard, my friend. That's why we're up.
Good morning, guys! It's day 2 here in Siargao and we're having breakfast dito sa accommodation namin, dito sa Big Waves. So, we have free breakfast. Ito yung sa akin. I have the tapsilog. As you guys know, I really love tapsilog. Lagi ko yung ini-story sa IG. And then for Will, he's having waffle, sausage, and both naman may 2 eggs. For the drinks, we have this blue pea with calamansi. And ito naman, dragon fruit shake. And I just wanna quickly do an outfit check. So here's the fit. It's actually a coords from CML Boutique. As you know, kapag nag-travel ako, whether it's Coron or Siargao, I really love their fits. Kasi for me, pang resort wear talaga sila.
Thank you after 1 hour.
Kasi yun yung mga prutas ko.
Should do like it.
Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa ganyan. Ano ko dati kasi parang nasugat yung dila ko. Hey guys, so time check, it's 2 o'clock. So kanina after namin mag-brunch, nag-shoot lang kami sa paligid and also sa cafe nila. Well, it's not really a cafe, but it's like a lobby/restaurant where you could get your breakfast. So nag-picture lang kami. I'm going to share with you guys the photos na i-upload ko sa Instagram. And also, nag-shoot ako ng mga products na sinend sa akin ni Silka for our campaign. Outfit check again. So, my swimwear, it's a one-piece swimsuit. Sinuot ko na rin to sa El Nido. Ito rin yung sinuot ko na nag-host ako ng Sasa product launch. So this is actually from Sasa PH. I love all their products. I also have their beach shorts, their parachute pants, even my rash guard, and some of my undergarments are actually from them. So yon. And this one naman is from CML Boutique again. Sumakto siya kasi of course Silka is asking me to wear orange for our campaign. Hey guys, it is time for us to check out. Here's the Big Waves and then later we're gonna check in sa second accommodation namin. We are so glad that yesterday, ayan, tinake na namin lahat ng aesthetic shots namin for Instagram and also for YouTube, syempre. And nakapag-shoot na rin ako ng Silka kahapon kasi sobrang daming magagandang spots dito. Sobrang okay mag-shoot. And we decided to really just enjoy this hotel. Tapos today kami explore. We're gonna go to Catangnan, to Cloud9, we're gonna go to Sev, and then tomorrow naman nakaschedule yung land tour namin. Tapos yun, if I haven't mentioned yet, last February, nag-Dry Island na kami. So, we're gonna skip that this time. And yeah, ang natitira na lang na dapat kong gawin dito is mag-shoot ng luggage because Sky Travel actually gifted me with a luggage. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot it here kasi so cute yung parang combination ng green and pink. And let me show you si Fifth. I don't know if napakita ko na siya sa vlog. He's a rescue dog. And Fifth yung name niya because September 5 daw siya natagpuan or na-rescue. Sobrang bait na to, sobrang lambing. He's very, very gentle and friendly siya sa mga guests. Minsan sinusundan niya daw and then umuwi na lang siya mag-isa. Here with me is Miss Kim. Thank you so much for being so accommodating. You say hi to the vlog. You're, Miss Siargao? Miss General Luna? Basta nag-pageant siya dito, hulaan niyo na lang. Hello there! Oh, you love Will, no? Oh, love niya si Will. Love ka niya talaga. Nagpapaano siya ng head niya sa'yo, no?
Mag-wrestling mo.
Nag-rough play na naman kayo. Time check, it is 1 p.m. And actually, hindi pa kami nag-lunch. But we went to Cloud9 and we saw this matcha bar na I really want to go to kasi nakita ko to kay Traveling Morena. It's really interesting because it's actually hidden behind the laundromat before. But now, you could easily spot it. Pag nagpunta ka ng Cloud9, it's in Pops District. Same area where Weekend is. I originally wanted to go to Weekend, but close pala sila tuwing Tuesday. So, take note yan, guys. I don't know if I'll still be able to go to Weekend kasi magla-land tour na kami tomorrow, but I'll try after the land tour. Anyway, we tried 2 drinks. It's the original matcha, and the best seller daw, it's matcha mango. And of course, we're gonna try their matcha cookie as well. They gave us complimentary R&D R&D drinks. So R&D, like, it's still in the process of being perfected, diba? So, I think kung papahula ko to sa inyo, you would say it's barley or just another matcha drink. But as you can see, it's in a martini glass. Or it's in a cocktail glass, yeah. So this is actually a matcha martini. So, tatry natin siya. And yes, 2 p.m. pa lang. Umiinom na tayo ng alak. Go!
First taste talaga.
Parang siya yung di ba may chocolate na inumin? Yung Baileys. So it's kinda like that, but without the So creamy siya, but without the chocolate. Hala, dahil matamis siya, hindi mo maiisip na malalasing ka. Guys, sabi ko sa kanila, they should call it martini. So, pag tinawag nila tong martini, aabangan ko yun, babalikan ko sila. Kasi yun intellectual property ko yun And, guys, sobrang walang hint ng parang bitterness or yung parang gumuguhit dito, wala. So, baka mawili ka dito, ingat ka na lang, baka malasing ka. So, yun lang. Thank you so much, Halo Halo Matcha, for my matcha martini. So we are here at the iconic Catangnan Bridge. I'm not sure if mamumukhaan nyo siya because yes, it is sikat as the FM bridge, but apparently you can no longer spot lots of FM here because it used to be crowded. Parang dati, meron dito mga food stalls and mga nagsiskateboard, mga nagda-dive. But now, wala na because may designated area na kung saan ka makakabili ng street food, saan ka makakapag-hangout. They probably cleared it for traffic reasons and that's actually good. Pero FYI lang, wala nang AFAM sa AFAM Bridge. Pinuntahan lang namin kasi hindi kami nakapunta dito last February and we just wanna see what the hype is all about. First time eating ceviche. Guys, we're here at Magpupungko Tidal Pool. I think they call it a tidal pool kasi it depends kung high tide or low tide kung magpapakita siya. I think. It's so nice. So, it's actually fresh water pero makikita mo din doon yung ocean. Tapos makikita mo rin yung waves. So, I think it would be really nice to take a dip here kasi malamig yung water niya. And yun nga, it's fresh. It's not salty. We're having early lunch here sa isa sa mga karinderya dito bago kami mag-ride ng boat going to Lagoon. Meron daw kaming 200 pesos na credits. This is my lunch. We have this parang seaweeds with suka and calamansi, onion, and danggit. And of course, rice. Tapos may libre silang sabaw. Tapos ito yung food ni Will, pinakbet, adobo, and spring roll. Let's eat.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pocket spirits in your Prada bag, suburban summer 17.
Hey guys, we're here at Lagoon. And then, grabe, ang daming drone. Parang tatlo na yung nakikita ko ng drone. And of course, we have to take a photo at the iconic diving board. So, yun lang actually yung picture talaga na gustong-gusto kong magkaroon dito sa Siargao trip na to.
If I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'll ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I?
Hey guys, we are here at our last stop dito sa land tour. This is the Secret Beach. So, papasok pa lang tayo. Right by the entrance, we can see Nadine Leester's property. It's Mason Bacana. Of course, we can't enter because it's a private property. Ay, nakita ko sa stories ni Miss Nate. Andito siya ngayon. So, yeah. Tapos nadaanan din natin on the way here yung Naipalad. Naipalad is the only property in Siargao that's included in Michelin Guide. So, hopefully, one day we could stay there.
On tight, she'd still be sitting by